Good morning, Internet. It's 7 o'clock in the morning here in Perth, WA.
Giddy up, guys. What's going on? First of all, just a big thank you to all the new subscribers. I have outdone myself again, haven't I, babe? 2 million. I hit 2 million subscribers. Yep. Yeah. What's that? Not 2 million. That did seem a bit excessive. Yeah. It jumped up a bit. I don't think. Yeah. No, 200,000. I think it was about. Well, it's not even 200,000. You're killing me, babe. You're killing me.
Sorry.
What have we got? 20,000?
A little less.
A little less than that. Holy shit, that's a bit gut-wrenching. I was a little bit excited. And once again, she Jack's burst my bubble. No wonder she's got no friends. Cracked the 200. Fucking legendary. I'm going to retire. Full-time vlogging. My vlogs will be called How to Bore You 101. Anywho, thanks guys, and thanks Kraken, thanks Nick, and the other ones that gave me a shout out. Much appreciated. We're slowly warming up now to the big one, the big ride. It's not that far away. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go for a little bit of a ride and packing. Now I know there's a few here that I follow that are 2 up, and they've got their shit down together and all the rest of it, but we can always learn from each other. And I have done a few kilometres in my time, and it's a matter of less is best. I think most of you know that, because basically anywhere you go, if you need it that bad, you can go and buy it. Pure example. Very short story. When we landed in San Francisco, it was freezing. This was a few years ago, and we didn't have it. We just walked into like similar to an op shop, good savvies, that sort of stuff, and bought ourselves a jacket, beanies, gloves. We were good to go. All warmed up. Got down to LA, too hot, and we just gave that stuff away. So you can buy anything you want if you need it that bad. Obviously go with your absolutely main essentials that you need to go with. But we'll have a chat about that. Let's see you on the roads. Giddy up. Handlebar dilemma sorted. Well, it's come forward slightly higher. I'm happy chappy. That's it. Already sold the mid-raise bars. Someone was after them pretty quick, so I'm pretty happy about that. Better put the side floorboards down, passenger floorboards down, otherwise, you know, never hear the end of it. I swear. What I've got to put up with. Hang on. Right over there. Look over there. It's stranger danger. Stranger danger. On with the heated seat. It's a little bit chilly today, guys. Alrighty. Okay. Let's do this. Oh, feels good to be out on the bike. It's Tennessee. So, it's all about packing on a trip, isn't it? You don't want to be too heavy, but you need the stuff that you need. So, now we've got the top box. It's nearly 40 kilograms. I don't know how many litres it takes, but it takes a lot. Fit out 2 helmets and shit, but you don't. That's the whole thing, is that when you're on a trip, you don't have room for your helmet to go in the top box, because you've got all your shit packed in there. And we generally pack a bag that we just lift off and carry straight into the motel room, and it's done and dusted. But I got a few things on the way for the trip, some which should have been delivered this week, but it's now Saturday, so I doubt very much will that be coming. Had a good talk to Paul from Harley Roadshow, and I got talked into the Cardo dual pack comm system, so that's it's on its way, I hope. We have the road mic set up, Jackson can talk, we can do a bit of vlogging together when we're on the road. Also coming is the Rode and GoPro battery setup. Gets rid of a lot of leads, and they all just fit into a compact case and charge. So that'd be nice and nifty, and I just wish people wouldn't do that shit. So yes, that's coming, and the tour, Indian tool bag I've ordered, which we're planning on using. It's 2 parts, connects. You can get from one section to the other, and I've already spoken to someone who's using one and absolutely raves about it. Hence, I'll put a picture up. Yeah, there you go. That's it. Well, it's the ups and downs on the road. Like, let's face it, okay, you know, the ups definitely outweigh the downs. Well, they don't have any mishaps. Paul alone. That pretty much fucks up everything. But generally, you obviously the riding, the country roads, getting out there, the accommodation and food. It was getting real difficult on my last trip last year as all the states were locking down. It was a pain in the ass. I get so many people say, oh, just ride, just hop on your bike and ride. It's just not that easy, especially 2 up. I want to make sure we've got accommodation. I don't want to be sitting on the side of the road at 6 o'clock in the evening trying to find accommodation and getting absolutely smashed on price wise because you've left yourself no choice. Ooh, there's demolition going on. Which happened to me at Port Hedland on the way heading back into Perth last year. $240. Okay, could have been worse, but you know, I mean, that's not a town you want to get caught out on the side of the road even and starting to look for accommodation. I don't have camping gear on me as such. I do keep a silver warm blanket just in case of emergencies. Now I'm looking for yeah, so you know, you sort of want to set yourself up at least decently. There it is. Everyone's got their different ways of doing that. And food. It's really hard not to eat shit. Alright. I'll come back to that conversation. Alrighty. So where was I? Yeah, so accommodation and food. Yeah. Even though I travel with me and Jack mostly, or I'm solo, and I've ridden with people, I generally try and get my own cabin or room, because if I don't get a good night's sleep, it's not good for the next day. People snoring and farting and carrying on and talking in their sleep, and that's just me. Imagine how annoying the other guys are. So yeah, that and the food. Keep eating those bacon and eggs and bacon and eggs and bacon and eggs and pasties and pies of every breakfast. just makes you feel shit eventually. So I try and go for good cereal and yogurt and some fruit if it's available. But depending on what my travel details are for that day, I'll sort of take off from where I am and slowly head into another town. Anyway, so that's it. That's accommodation, food and packing.